Hello dear friend, are you recently unemployed because machines took your job? Do you want to make some money? Then come along and prove this machine wrong and win $20. Okay, so in this game you need to find the button once the robot hides it. To ensure fairness, I will ask you to sign the button that we are going to be using. Thank you so much. Now we'll begin. Choose a box. This one. Okay, let's go. Where's your button? There. Are you sure? Okay, let's find out. Oh wait, what's that behind your ear? Is this your button? Well, I guess machines are better than you.